When preparing for a vital exam like the ATI TEAS, which determines your readiness and eligibility for nursing school, having the right study guide is truly a game changer. The official ATI TEAS Study Guide 7, 2024 to 2025 edition stands out as the only TEAS preparation resource written by the very creators of the exam. This distinction means you can study with confidence, knowing that the guidance, practice questions, and insights are as close to the real test as possible. The TEAS, or Test of Essential Academic Skills, is the gateway for aspiring nurses, evaluating your proficiency in reading, mathematics, science, and English and language usage. Successfully navigating this exam is a crucial milestone for anyone aiming to embark on a healthcare career. The official ATI TEAS Study Guide is meticulously crafted to help you master not only the content, but also the strategies and mindset required to excel. One of the standout features of this guide is its comprehensive coverage of all test domains. Each section of the book is dedicated to a core subject area: reading, math, science, and English. The content is broken down into manageable, focused lessons that build your knowledge step by step. For reading, you'll learn how to comprehend passages, identify main ideas, and analyze arguments, skills that are essential for understanding complex medical texts and patient instructions. The math section demystifies everything from basic arithmetic to algebra, statistics, and data interpretation, ensuring you're prepared to tackle any quantitative problem the test throws your way. Science, often considered the most challenging part of the TEAS, is addressed with clarity and precision. The guide covers human anatomy and physiology, life and physical sciences, and scientific reasoning, equipping you with the foundational knowledge you'll need in your nursing education and beyond. The English and language usage section sharpens your grammar, punctuation, and vocabulary skills, helping you communicate effectively and professionally, a must for any healthcare provider. What truly sets this official guide apart is its authenticity. Every practice question, example, and explanation is developed by the same experts who write the real TEAS exam. This ensures that you're not only practicing with content that closely mirrors the test, but also learning the reasoning and logic behind correct answers. Detailed rationales are provided for every question, enabling you to understand your mistakes and avoid them in the future. This feedback loop is invaluable for building both competence and confidence. Accessibility is another key advantage. The guide is available in paperback for $2,500 and can be purchased new or used through Amazon, with options for fast, free shipping, and easy returns. For added convenience, you can also download the Kindle app and start reading instantly on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. No Kindle device required. This flexibility allows you to study whenever and wherever it suits you, transforming idle moments into productive learning opportunities. Purchasing through Amazon ensures a secure transaction with encrypted payment processing and a commitment to protecting your privacy. If the book doesn't meet your expectations, Amazon offers a straightforward 30-day return or replacement policy. Whether you prefer to have your study materials delivered straight to your door or want instant digital access, the official ATI TEAS Study Guide adapts to your preferences and lifestyle. But there's more to this guide than just content. It's designed to motivate and support you through every phase of your preparation. The clear, concise explanations help demystify even the toughest concepts, while practice tests and review questions allow you to track your progress and pinpoint areas that need improvement. By following the step-by-step lessons, you'll build a solid foundation, reinforce your strengths, and overcome your weaknesses. The official ATI TEAS Study Guide doesn't just teach you what you need to know, it shows you how to approach the test strategically. Time management tips, test-taking strategies, and insights from the creators help you maximize your performance on exam day. You'll learn how to read questions carefully, eliminate incorrect answers, and manage your time so you can complete every section without feeling rushed. For those who want to connect with the creators and stay updated, there are opportunities to follow the authors, Jones and Bartlett Learning, and the ATI TEAS Study Guide team on Amazon. This connection gives you access to future resources, updates, and insights that can further support your journey toward a nursing career. The guide is more than just a book. It's your trusted companion on the path to nursing school. It represents a small investment with potentially life-changing returns. By preparing with the only study guide written by the exam's own creators, you're setting yourself up for success, ensuring that you walk into the TEAS with the knowledge, confidence, and skills you need to earn a competitive score. In today's competitive world of healthcare education, standing out is essential. Nursing programs look for candidates who demonstrate not just intelligence, but also dedication, preparation, and resilience. The official ATI TEAS Study Guide helps you embody those qualities by giving you the tools to study smarter, not just harder. It empowers you to take control of your learning, focus your efforts, and transform anxiety into actionable progress. Choosing the right study materials is a crucial decision. The official ATI TEAS Study Guide 2024-2025 edition is trusted by thousands of future nurses and recommended by educators across the country. Its alignment with the actual test, expert-developed content, and flexible access options make it the clear choice for anyone serious about nursing school. If you're ready to take the next step in your career, don't settle for less than the official resource. Equip yourself with the most reliable, up-to-date, and effective study guide available. Your future as a compassionate, skilled nurse starts here, with preparation, perseverance, and the right tools. Let the official ATI TEAS Study Guide lead the way and turn your aspirations into reality.